Ready to unlock hidden stories within your data? Let's create custom dimensions in Looker Studio to slice, dice, and conquer complexity. First, open the Looker Studio report you're working with, then navigate to the Resource menu in the top navigation bar. From the Resource drop-down, select Manage Added Data Sources. This will bring up a panel showing all the data sources connected to your report. Find the data source you want to add a custom dimension to and click Edit next to it. This opens the Data Source Editing panel. In the Editing panel, locate the Add a Field button near the top right corner. Click this to start creating your custom dimension. Now, give your custom dimension a descriptive name in the Formula area. Use Looker Studio's functions to define your dimension. For example, you can use if statements, case statements, or concat to combine existing fields. Once you've written your formula, click Save. Looker Studio will validate your formula. If it's valid, click Done in the Data Source Editor. Your custom dimension is now available. Find it in the Data panel on the right and use it in your charts and tables to segment your data and reveal those awesome insights. Experiment with different visualizations and filters using your new custom dimension to truly understand your data. Happy analyzing!